Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. What you need to do is just select photo for first. Make sure that you are in photo tab. And yeah, what we are need to do is open the inspector right here at the top right corner and then select photo. And right here, you will see scopes, source transform, and then source cropping. As you can see, you can adjust ratio. So we have 16 by 9, 1, 1, 4 to 5, 2, 3, and 4, 3. And also what you can do, so let's go with that one. For example, you will see crop left, crop right, crop top, crop bottom, and also we can adjust that thing. So also what you can do is lock aspect ratio. So if you do that, you will see that three different types is changing. So if you crop left, you will also crop top, crop bottom, and the same thing goes for the crop right. And yeah, basically for the every crop is the same if you lock aspect ratio here. So make sure that you have unchecked this if you want to crop separately, one by one, how you like it, like so. As you can see, now we have created this more cinematic look, like so. And yeah, this is basically how you can crop a photo in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.